Good morning, friends. Today is February 10th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time to do that. All right, for number 1, we are going to look at the calendar. The first thing we will do when we look at the calendar is we will draw the picture. So friends, here is today's picture. Make sure to include the dots, how many dots for each shape. Press pause if you need more time to draw the shapes. Alrighty, now that you've drawn the shapes, on number 1, you need to write the 2 shapes are symmetrical or the 2 shapes are not symmetrical. Press pause if you need more time to complete your sentence on number 1. Now we are on number 2. Today you are going to write 3 equations that equal 75. Now again, I want you to challenge yourself. I would encourage you to try to write addition equations that have more than 2 add-ins, or subtractions equations that subtract more than just one number from another number. I would also love to see an equation that has some addition and some subtraction. So again, you are writing 3 challenging equations that equal 75. All right, press pause if you need more time for number 2. We are now moving on to number 3, and we are representing the number of days we've been in school. Yesterday we were in school for 87 days. One more than 87 is 88. You are going to write an addition equation that equals 88, a subtraction equation that equals 88, tally marks, coins that have a value of 88 cents, and 10 sticks and 1 circles to show 88. Press pause if you need more time for number 3. Let's look at number 4. Today's math story says, I have 5 pieces of gum. My friend gave me 2 pieces of candy and 3 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum do I have now? Friends, remember it's important that you show a picture, an equation, and an answer with the correct label. So again, I will read the question again. This one is tricky, so please slow down, think, and check your work. I have 5 pieces of gum. My friend gave me 2 pieces of candy and 3 pieces of gum. How many pieces of gum do I have now? Press pause if you need more time for number 4. Next to number 5, we will be counting backwards. Please start at 39 and count backwards down to 7. Start at 39 and count backwards down to 7. Press pause if you need more time for number 5. You've got this, friends. Have a fabulous afternoon.